Hello, we are going to learn today or we are going to see the objectives and outcomes of the subject FLAT, that is formal language and automata theory. This subject is important from GATE point of view also, and if you want to develop a system software like compiler, this subject is very important. Very first course objective is understand the concept of finite automata as a regular language recognizer. So whenever you have given a regular language or a regular expression, how you will design the automata or a machine, that logical machine, to recognize that particular language is the course objectives. Understand the concept of regular expression as a description of regular language. Understand the concept of formal grammar and their types as well as type of languages. So in formal language and automata theory, there are various types of languages, and which are the logical machines used for identifying these types of languages. Understand the concept of pushdown automata to recognize any context free language. Understand the principles and operations of Turing machine and its different types. So these are the different course objectives. Next is course outcomes. After successful completion of this course, student must be able to understand the basics of formal language and automata theory. Second outcome is describe and transform regular expressions for computation. That is, if you have given a regular expression, from that regular expression it will be converted, that regular expression, to the finite automata or vice versa. Third is construction or convert grammars for formal languages. So if you have given a language or formal language, you must be identify the grammar or construct the grammar. Fourth is interpret the PDA, that is push down automata, for context free language and regular language. Fifth is design and analyze the Turing machine for formal language. So here in FLAT, the expression is given, and from that expression you are going to design the automata. That automata is decide whether the given expression will be recognized or not. It will be, if it will be recognized, the machine will give you the output, or it will go into the final state, and if it will not recognize, it will not go into the final state. So these are some course objectives and outcomes of the subject formal language and automata theory. Thank you for listening.